did say that we wanted to show you how to secure the nozzles into the end of the CPVC tube so that it's not necessarily impossible, but phenomenally difficult to pull out. So what you're going to need is obviously a static mixer, some of this fiber reinforced, they call it strapping tape. It's got little, I think, fiberglass fibers in it. A good pair of scissors. I happen to also have a PVC cutter. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prep the nozzle. So you can see the opening on the nozzle. If you cut this about halfway up, you can effectively double the size of the opening. That's good to get a faster flow out of the tanks. So then I've pre-cut 4 pieces of this tape, 3 inches and 5 inches. So the first thing you do is you take this and you wrap 5 revolutions of tape around the end of the mixer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, that will act as your seal going into the tube. Okay, now push it on as far as you can. Try to get it up as close to the fins as you can. All right, now take the first piece, the 3-inch piece, and tape it right like that. Turn it over, put on the second piece. Okay, then put on your 5-inch ones over the same piece of tape. Come on. There we go. Like that. Now, once you've got that, press it in, and now just start wrapping this from the bottom of the tape. Now that is how you attach the mixer. So cut the tip, put on your anchor tapes, and then wrap it, and you will have a mixer that basically you can't pull out of the end of the CPVC tube. Makes it very easy, and it gives you an assurance that you're not gonna, separate or blow the mixer out of the end of the pipe. So that's an enhanced way to secure these static mixers into the CPVC pipe. So thank you very much for watching, and it's been another good day with SecureSet. Thank you.